Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Germguardian HEPA filter replacement. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, folks, let's get started. First of all, I do want to mention that I'm looking at this thing because my replace HEPA filter light is on my air purifier. So I'm going to show you what I did to replace it. At the end, I'm going to tell you how to reset it as well. So first of all, you turn off the unit. Then you want to open the back. Be very careful about the little tab over here because, you know, if you break it, it's pretty much is the unit. So just open it up, and you can see that mine is pretty nasty. You know, so my pre-charcoal filter is really nasty. And the true HEPA filter is behind that. And that's probably going to be in better condition. So I'm going to attempt to actually wash it and see if I could get a better result. But I'm going to show you my results if you wash it. Also, it'd probably be great to clean this little area over here with vacuum or something like that. One of the things that I did before for the charcoal filters, I vacuumed it. That was a bad move because if you vacuum the charcoal filter, I found out at night when you turn it on or something, it smells like charcoal all night. So, you know, so all you need to do is peel this thing back and all the way. There's 2 tabs on top and 2 on the bottom. And of course, you want to not breathe in the dust particles and such. But overall, just take this out and I'm going to rinse it. And I'm going to let you be the judge if that's something that you want to do. I think the best thing to do is actually to buy a brand new one. And these are not that expensive. Or you could buy the whole set. So my particular one uses a size C. Keep in mind that some of them are B and some of them are C. So I'm holding the camera, which is making me hard to clean this thing. I'm just going to rinse with tap water over here and see go down the drain, the dust maybe. At least most of the dust will be gone, hopefully, right? So let's see if that turns out to be good or not. And, you know, so this is what I did to clean mine out. But if you have a lot of money, I guess it's good to buy one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Or maybe say eBay or any other place that you find that you can find this unit. Well, you know, this is the pre-filter or you call charcoal filter. And actually, I did clean it. You can see it's not that bad, but actually it looks like it loses some of its efficiency. You can see over here. So I dried it. I let it dry for a while. I pretty much left it there for like 4 or 5 hours. I think it's by the time I put it in, it's dry. But looks like a little bit, some of the charcoal is gone in this unit in particular. So next, you know, I can show you this all dry, but you know, we attach it. So, you know, top and bottom. And there's still some dust particles and such on there, which is fine, I guess. So you just slide it in over there on the bottom. Then just put this thing back on the unit itself. It's like, you know, make sure you put it in tight, okay? Let me do it again, all the way to the bottom. You know, there's like 2 tabs that poke into the bottom part of it. Then snap this in place like that. So that's to put it back. And my opinion is basically you should buy a new one. But then again, if you're cheap like me, I would just not buy a new one. I just want to test it out first. And you know, the light is still lit on because it doesn't reset by itself, as I noticed. So I'm going to turn off. I'm going to reset it right here. So on this unit is basically HEPA reset. You see that button over there near the timer? If you hold that button for about 3 to 5 seconds, it will reset. You know, first I'm going to lower the fan speed, which is, I think, a design flaw. I will start at number 5. So holding this button, I'm going to reset it. There you go. So I do want to show you when I turn it off and turn it back on that it's reset. And I'll post a description as well for other models if you have a different one than the one I have in this video, how to reset it. But my opinion is if you have a lot of cash, I guess you can buy a new one. If not, just wash it. You know, just the pre-filter was dirty. The other one wasn't that dirty. So that's off. That's on. See, the HEPA filter alert is not blinking anymore. Hope you like this video and it helps you out. We appreciate a thumbs up so other people can see the video. And I see you next time. Bye.